Hello everyone. Please write if you listen me carefully. I think I am audible or not. I think I have to pause this here. Okay, so let's solve the question of the lunchtime. Okay, I'm just live streaming because you know what, I'm just wanted to tell you that how to approach any question. Okay, so let's get started. Why this is really okay. So the question is, you and your friend are playing a game with hoops. There are n hoops where n is odd in a row. You jump into hoop 1 and your friend jump into hoop n. Okay. So, okay. Then you jump into 2 and after that your friend jump to 9 and so on. The process ends when someone cannot make the next because the hoop is occupied by the other person. First and last. Find the last hoop that will jump into. Okay. So this is, I think, really simple. First thing, what is the input? So first is just and so I take the input and about if okay, so the thing is if there are one step and after the since there is only one hoop, that is only one to be jumped. Okay, the person process ends when someone cannot make the net because the hoop is occupied by the other. Find the last hoop that will be jumped into. Okay, so actually we just need to find the which is the last hoop where the person can jump over there. So if we take this example, this is third. The first player jumps into 1, the second player jumps to third, the finally first player jump to 2, and then the second player can jump. Okay, so for you want to and okay, and uh, what we need to do here is and okay, so the thing is I'm gonna make a map and in the map mine is here and brand is here. So first map of mine equals to I just make this complicated. If mod is equals to 0, this is a mine chance. Okay, and here I'm just make this and I otherwise if it is odd, that means it's our friend chance, then make that also positive. 2 and just decrement that one. Okay, so we kept going until we find that if that one is already full, if not map of f. Okay, else break. If map of m, only then, otherwise we just break this loop. And where we can find that if somewhere oh shit, what I am doing here. If m is already occupied, that means first I'm going here, then and then the last one. Okay, and if it is already occupied, then what I need to do here is okay. So this is just which we are stopped where the hooks already occupied. That is, if there is five by two, that is one. If n is odd, then the answer is n divided by 2 plus 1. Else if there is 4, then we first come here, he comes here, we first come here, he comes here, then is also divided by 2 plus 1. There is always this answer. Okay. I really is this 1 and 2? I'm not sure. This gonna work or not, because we need to just find the which is the last tube that already occupied. And yeah, I got it. This is just simple and good, and literally what I'm doing there, just making that map and so on. So that's not good actually. So the second question, it's Seb's birthday and he and his twin have received n gifts in a total. The ith gift has a price of AI. Okay, each twin wants to keep the most expensive gift for himself. I Price of the twins take k turns and relative each has k turns for 2 turns in total. It's given 2k plus 1. It is given 2 into k plus 1 in a turn. A person may choose one gift. The only exception is the last turn of the twin who moves second, where he gets to choose 2 gifts instead of 1. Okay. Uh, we have 2k plus 1. Assuming they both choose gift optimally, and you can choose who takes the first turn. Find maximum total cost of that gift except n is actually the gifts number, and k are turns for each twins basically. So there are n gifts and each have turned k, so basically there are 2k terms. Okay, and the first line, yeah, the cost of that prices. We just need to output a single line answer, which is the total cost Chef can keep. Okay, so just to convince, this is the input. I think I'm not sitting right here, that's it. Can't. Okay, and this is bought by input, and after that Chef moves first and the second chooses the gift with 3. His twin then chooses the gift of cost 1 and 2. Okay, so, twin heart takes k alternative. It is given that in a turn a person may choose one gift. The only exception is that last turn of the twin who moved second. Last turn of the who moved second. Keep take k turns. Basically, gifts are 2k plus 1. Yeah. Uh, in the first, what is the that Chef moves first and he choose the gift plus 3. Okay, and his twin then choose the gifts of cost 1. The last has 2 chance instead of 1, so that is the actually point. And in the second test case, what we'll see that Chef allows his brother to choose first, and his brother choose a gift which costs 3. Okay, then choose this. Okay, Chef moves first, and the at the end, actually, what is the total cost over there? 5 on 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, actually it is division 3, so yes, it is division 3. Basically, at what time? There are a grid of 10 covered completed railway tracks. Tom is riding in a train currently in cell A, B. The Jerry is tied up in a different cell. Okay. 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power covered completed train tracks. Railway track. Tom is riding in a train currently in cell A and B. Jerry is tied up in a different cell C and OK. Unable to move. The train has no brakes. It shall move exactly K step and then its fuel run out and it shall stop. Shall move exactly K step and then it will run. You must step that must move to one of its neighboring shell. Okay, sharing a side. Tom can't move without the train as the grid is covered in tracks. Can Tom reach Jerry's? After exactly, Tom can go back to the same cell multiple times. So, uh, A and B are okay. Let me first take the input. And K is the number of steps. Yeah, these are the number of steps. Exactly, it shall move exactly K step and then its will be run out and shall stop. A grid of size covered completely. Tom is riding in a train currently cell A and B. Jerry is tied up in different cell. Okay, unable to move. The train has no brakes. It shall move exactly K steps and then its will run out and in one step the train must move to. For its test case, alternate single. Okay, let me check what are the test cases. So first where the Tom. Okay, so first cell where is the Tom A and B, where is the Tom, and C and D are the coordinates where the Jerry is present. So first 1 1 and this is 2 2. Okay, the possible sequence is 1 1, then 1 2, and then 2 2. Okay, 1 1. Okay, let me make a figure over there. So if this is here, let this is here. So it takes 1 2 3 4, yeah, actually 2 3 4. And actually we need to find, we can take, because if he here they are saying that he can move that place more than once. Yeah, here Tom can go back this small same cell multiple times. So if this is 6 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6. Yeah, if it is 6, then he must be able to go there. 1 2 3 5 6. Yes, it is possible actually. uh he is 1 1 and their friend is here. The possible sequence of moves 1 0 1 0 0 and then come back 3. Actually, please write the comment if I'm audible or not. I'm not sure. You can listen my voice. Please, anybody, if I'm audible, then please write there. Actually, in this question, this is the possible sequence of moves 1 2. He can actually move from 1 1 to 1 2 or 2 1. Oh, thanks, man. Actually, let me try first, then I'm able to tell you what is going on in this question. So please uh, give me a little bit time. Actually, the thing is, the main important thing is, if you can see second question, there are 6 steps he has, then he is able to go over there, because you know what, he can actually move the same cell multiple times. So that's the actually point where we have to take care of that. From 1 1 he can move 1 0, and then from 1 0 he also moved 0 0, and he then came back 1 0. So that's actually, just need to take care of that. Let me make a figure clear over there. Actually, if I'm sorry, but after, if someone wants to know how I'm solve these questions, and make sure that please join me after this contest, because then make a tell you that how I'm gonna approach this question and how I came up with this solution. So please make sure that joining me over there. Okay, so please I'm not tell you now how I am able to solve that actually. because there's no time to do these things. A possible sequence of matches. 1 1 1. Let me actually the grid is too long, so we don't need to uh, take care about uh, uh, actually question is simple. If this they'll tell you that if he is able to reach there in case steps. Actually they said that in exactly case step he need to present over there where the jury is tied up. That's what the problem. So let's say if it is here, there is big. If Tom is here, okay, Tom is here, and Jerry is second to third column. Basically, Jerry is here. Can he get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? So please, Tom and Jerry, I'm still solving this question, so I don't know what is the logic behind this. Actually, I just previously said that if you want the logic of that any question, I'll make a tutorial of this question after this live session, means after this contest, just after this contest. So we make sure that join me at that time, actually 10 p.m. after that 10 p.m. basically. So don't take care of it or anything that, oh shit. So just for now, just do the question and don't please. Actually, the time is not much, that's why. Actually, it's not complicated, it's a little bit tricky. 1 1, then you can move. Actually, if he is this in the same row or same column, then it takes only one step to reach over there. Okay. So, but just we need to find that if he is 1 1 and this is 2 2, then 1 1, then 2 2. If it is, let's say, if it is there, then what is the minimum step takes? 1 and 2. Okay. If it is 2 3, then 2 minus 1 1 and 3 minus 2 2 1 3. No way. let's say if it is a 3 3, then 1 1 3 3, it takes 1 2 3 4 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. Okay, what I'm doing, Jerry's here. For the second one, Jerry is here. If it is here, then he'll be able to 1 2 1 2 3 4. Ouch, 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 ouch. If let's say if it is in the third one, second column, it is here, then 1 2 and 3, simple. 1 1 2, third row and second column, then 2 and 1 3. Actually, so let me think. If first I am gonna find what are the minimum steps he has to reach over there. So the thing is minimum step. So if A is equals to C, means they are in the same row, then the minimum steps is just 3 minus 1. Okay, so the minimum steps are equals to absolute difference between D minus B. Okay. Else if B is equals to D, then minimum steps are equals to absolute difference between A minus C. Okay, means they are in the same column. So if they are there, 5 and 5, 1 2 3 4, yeah. Otherwise we are just minimum step plus is equals to absolute difference between actually what I'm really doing here, if they are, this is the minimum step, so minimum steps is just absolute difference between A minus C minus A plus absolute difference between B minus D. Okay, this is the minimum steps we need to take. So if minimum steps is less than, means if k, if it is less than k, then the simple answer is okay, minimum steps is greater than, only then he is not able to reach there. Now the thing is, let's see if for reaching the let's say in the second test case, to reach the 2 3 coordinate, basically he has to take minimum steps 3. Yeah, he has to take minimum steps 3, 1 then 2 3. And if he has 4 steps, he's not able to reach there. But 1 2 3, this is 3. Okay. If he has 4 to be, but if he has 5 steps, then he is able to go there. we just need to find if he has to take 3 steps, then let's see. First we will write down which he what are the steps he can able to reach over there. So if he has only 3 steps, the train can reach there, okay. And 3, then if it have 4 steps, then he not able to reach there. If he has 5 steps, then he can reach there. But if let's see, if he has 6 steps, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 then 2 then 3 then 4 then 5 then 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5. Actually he's not able to reach in the sixth step. 3 5 then 7 then 9. For 1110, actually he need to take 1 step. If min step is odd and k is odd, then if min step is odd and it is also odd, then he'll be able to reach there, otherwise not, okay. If it is odd and if k is also odd, let's see if it is work or not. Actually for these given test case it may be work, but for the all the test cases it may not work. Let's say actually let me take some random test cases. So if it is if he is, oh my god, insanity. This is working, okay. Actually I'm not sure that this is work or not, but thank you. That is working basically. So don't worry if you don't understand how this question work, then yeah, actually please check out that that question is done. Please like the videos, because I see able to say that 40 plus are like, but no one likes the video. So please please make sure like this in stream and subscribe the channel if you actually after this I'm gonna make the tutorial videos if please write if someone wants that, otherwise actually for the logic please sorry bro, actually in you can find the template in the description, so uh, copy that template over there and pause this and please copy this because it's not very big code, it's almost 10 or for 15 lines, so sorry for that. Actually it's really small code, so don't care about just copying. If you write down by your own, then maybe you can able to get something that will help you in the future contest, because if you just copy pasting, that's not gonna help you. But if you do a little bit by yourself, like just writing by yourself, then because sometimes I do it the same thing, because just write down by your own, it will help you. So please do it by your own, like write down by your, just pause this and actually I if you don't find not able to find the template, so link is in the description, copy that template from the my GitHub, and actually their questions are not of this contest, yeah, of the last contest. I don't delete that question, so please make sure that question which are on the GitHub are not of this contest, they are from the old contest, like they are from the starter of tomorrow, yeah sorry, yesterday starter, what's the starter are there, so that their solution of that starters question. So don't copy that question, and for the template you can use that one and just write down this code by your own, please, and please like this stream. Okay, so let's do this third one. Third question is, the ith gift has a price of each teen wants to keep the most expensive gifts for himself. Let twins take Kate turns actually. Actually, the question says that actually I can make this by brute force, so actually I can do this because just iterating over the loop and assign the first largest value to the, oh my god, these dots are there. So if I tell that actually I'm gonna do this by iterating the loop, so in the first loop what I'm doing here is I'm just assign the one by where Codechef take the first chance, means he take the first largest price gifts, okay, and after that, so okay. So what I am telling that long just I'm gonna short this like vector of temp. I just make a temp array and copy this array in this and just short this temporary array, because you know I don't want to modify the input array, because I need the after that I need this. So first thing is I am first firstly I'm assigning the one-to-one values to the chef and the other person who's there, because so that is the long cost one. Okay, so we need name this cost one, and for we are rotating from the reverse, because what everyone wants to pick highest value price, so that's why I'm doing this, and just minus by 2, because what if there are alternative chances. So if chef picks the biggest one, then absolutely the second person who's there also pick the second largest price. That's why I'm iterating from the last, and just decreases by 2. Yeah, and then cost 1 at the cost 1 array of u, sorry, array not temp of u. Okay, so this is the price where chef take the first chance. Let me make another where okay. The thing is no one gonna take the last one. Yeah, no one gonna take the last one. Yes, that's why actually take care. Please think about it. Actually, I'm telling you in the after the contest, so don't worry if you don't understand what I'm doing here. So in this I'm iterating from the last and last, yeah, actually uh, iterating from the last second, because in this I'm gonna temp of view. Actually, I don't need to copy any array of this. Actually, don't worry about that. And now what I need to do is here is I need to just add the last element which is extra. Add to this because what, if chef take the second chance, then he has an extra cost, extra gift at the last. That's I am adding in the last, and just print out the max of cost 2 comma cost 1. Let this 348. Yes. Okay, let's check out if it is working or not. Ouch. Please make sure that please subscribe the channel. Oh my gosh, this is not working. I need to take care about any. Actually, everyone has key chances. Okay. Let me make this clear. Okay, and this is the chance of J is equals to n-1, and I just put this here and minus j by 2, and here j is n minus 2. Copy this here. And put this here and also make this 3 4 8 because you know what, everyone has k chances, so I'm just iterating all the chances the self has, and in the every chance what I'm doing, first I'm doing the, because you know what, if let's write down this, actually 1 2 3 4 5, if I doing this 1 then 2 then 3 then 4 and then 5. So if Sep takes first chance, then he's gonna take this and this. Yes, but the thing is, if he don't gonna take the first chance, what he gonna take this? He first take this and take this, and after that, you know what, whoever person take the second chance, he has extra chance at the last, so he also can able to take this one. So in total he has 4 plus 2 6 and 1 7. He has total of 7 cost, but here he has 8. So that actually the problem. Let's see if it is working or not. Please, I'm doing this live. I'm not. Yeah, actually, I'm explain this question after this contest. So please make sure join me after this. If you didn't get what I'm doing here, please, and please don't ask if I don't able to explain now, because you know what, first I need to understand, and after that I'm able to tell you what is going on in this question. So this is not like, I think you understand this. Oh my god. So. If everyone has a single chance, then what happened? So if everyone has one chance, then what will happen? I sort this, that is 1 2 3, and first in the first chance he is gonna take the third one, and in the, if he is not he's gonna take the second chance, then he's able to 2 plus 1, then they both are 3, so it doesn't affect. Take care about this. If he has first chance, then what will happen? He gonna take the third one, but if he take the second chance, then he still he has value of 3 sorry, price of 3 gift, and now he also have an extra gift which value is 1. So in total he has 4 prize. That is the maximum of, basically. Let me take a random input. Okay, so let me, if he has 5 gifts and everyone should have 2 chances, and now what will happen? uh, if everyone has 5 chances, 5 gifts over there and 2 chances, and 9, 8, 4, 9. Okay. If everyone if there are 7 chances, everyone has 3 chance, then what? Take any random number. 7, 3 to 5, 6, and that is 7. Flame first. First, you know what? In this, he gonna take this, then take this, and he is complete their chances. But but he will take the second chance, then he has extra chance. That's why he has total 3 5s. But over there, if he took this one, 9 plus 8, that in the total is 9 plus 8, 17. But if he take the second chance, then he has 9 plus 4, and then he has extra one, that is 1. Okay, but that is not max of this previous one, so that's why the answer is 17. Let's see this. uh, if he takes first first step, then 11 plus 9, that is 20. 20 plus 4, that is 24. Okay. But if we take the second step, that is 10, 10, then 6, 10 plus 6, that is 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 19, and extra, that is 21. So that is also not maximum. Then previous one, so that answer is still 24. 4. What I'm missing here? Let me break this again. Steps what he has. See, yeah, sorry, this please. Last turn of the second, where he gets to choose 2 gifts. I think What I'm missing here. Question is CNN sort output cost is zero and incident cost is part time machine. Variance variance and row. I'm sorry for this, but I'll try. I'll try to give this solution as soon as possible because actually I'm mentioning something small, some small steps what they has to see and gives total 5 gives as a price of each 10 must see for instance 10 must take it comes alternative each has taken stand for 2 data but it is data. Actually, his friend is also gonna take the optimal prices because he'll also want to win, means also want to get the highest price gift. So each twin wants to keep the most expensive gift for himself. That's why uh, what I'm missing, it is given that 2k plus 1 is not. It in a turn a person may choose one gift. The only exception is that the last term of this twin who moves where he gets to chance. Really gets to choose two gifts instead of one, assuming they both choose gifts optimally, and you can choose who key take the first turn. Sorry, and the maximum total cost of gift that chef keeps. Actually, k is n is equals to 2k plus 1. Is it definite that uh, there are 2k plus 1 gifts. Is it definite? Uh, actually, I'm not sure. Because there they say there's uh, please wait a minute. Uh, I don't able to do this. Why this is not. Please wait a minute. I'm gonna solve that. Next one first. If someone's no, please let me know in the chat what I'm missing. If someone already did this question. Sorry. Please, if someone did this. It's Seth's birthday and he has his twin has received and gifts. The eye gives has the price of each twin wants to keep the most significant one. The twin has k turns alternative. Each has k turns for 2 into k turns in total. Actually, in the first loop, he has key chances, but this time he is starting taking the first chance. That's why he start the loop at the end of the array. But if he takes the second loop, that's why I'm starting from the last second element of the array, sorted array basically. Uh, please like and subscribe the channel. What I am missing here is if move first and chooses the gift with cost. Spin then chooses the gift at cost first and second. Please, if someone already did this, what I'm missing, if someone knows, let me tell in the comment section. What time missing? Previously, I just submitted the code which has extra line. Maybe that's why it is wrong. I don't know. It's still wrong. Why? Why? Any space separated in teachers. Ouch. Why, bro? Why I'm getting the wrong answer? Please let me know in the chat if someone finds any bug in this question, in this actual particular question. Please let me know if you find something that doesn't make sense. Actually, there are some many things that doesn't make sense in this solution, but jeez, I don't think so this work because yeah, I am not. What the hell is going on this time? God. Uh, okay, let's do this there. Oh, I think I am Hank Pym, and who knows better than some atomic particles better than Hank Pym? So I'm gonna solve that one. I am Hank Pym. Yeah, I can solve this. There are subatomic particles aligned in a row. There are two types, protons and electrons. Protons have a positive charges represented by one. Hank Pym, yeah, I am Hank Pym. There are n subatomic particles and there are two types, protons and electrons. Protons have a positive charge. Our current understanding of physics gives us way to predict how the particles will be spaced out. If we know their charges, two adjacent particles will be separated by if they have opposite charges, and two units if they have same charges. Yeah, a repulsion force is working in between. When Seth is not in the kitchen, he is doing physics experiment on subatomic particles. When Seth is not in the kitchen, he is doing physics experiment on the subatomic. He is testing the hypothesis by having n particles in a row, and he will change the charge of the particles k times. In the ith update, he will change the charge of qith particle after each of to find the distance between the first and last particle. Each update is persistent for further updates. Okay, okay. Oh. So the first one is take input n. The first line is n comma k, where n are the particles and k is the change the charge of particles k times. Okay, and second line contains a string n of length where si represents the initial charge of ith particle. Okay, and the third line contains k integers of the positions of the chain. Testing the hypothesis by having n particles in a row, and he will change the charge of particles k times. Okay. Uh, First one is n is the particle and k is the. He will change the charge of the particles k times. Okay. Actually, this is that there are two lines. First line is sorry, three lines, and key number of particles and key the time k times he will change the charge of the particles, and second lines takes a string and initial charges, and the third one which particles charge has been changed. Okay, so there is a test case 1 3 and 3 means three particles, and three times he will change the particle. Okay, initially 0 and 0, and first he will change the 2, then 1, then 3. Is he gonna change the uh, particles again, because uh, each update is persistent for further updates. Yes, I get it. After reversing the parity of first okay, so after reversing the parity of particle 2, That new configuration is 0, 0, since all the particles have the similar charge, each is separated from the distance. So the location of the particle is 3, 2 plus 2, 4 units from the 4 and 2. After reversing the parity of the first particle, the new configuration is 1, 0, 0. The charges of the first, and so they are separated by 1, 3. That is right. Okay. After this, that is also, so that is 2. Okay, okay. So the thing is, I'm gonna doing this by group first because let okay wait. I need to do this in an big open or big open login because there is nothing in login. Why is the index? Okay. Good charges and actually k is 10 to the power 5, so we can update the string in the Python. Oh, sorry, in the C++. Can be update the C++. Yes, we can update this. So please tell me if someone's already done this question. Okay, so we are going in the loop k times. Actually, this is k naught and the particles and k times is gonna change the actually first I'm gonna find what are the so what I'm doing here is go in this loop. First I need to find the first I'm gonna find what is the starting distance between first and last. So just for 1 comma n minus 1 and starting distance. Okay, and if initial of u is equals to like, it means initial is string is equals to previous one, means both are same, then add 2, otherwise if they are not same, started distance. Actually I'm just doing this start in the start. Okay, so in the starting he has 1 and plus 1 2. Okay, now change the after changing the string, means initial dot at array of u and minus 1, because I indexing is based on 1 and we need to find the indexing based on 0, and we just if it is 1 then make this 0, and if it is 0 then make this 1. So if initial initial of array of u minus 1 is equals to that is 0. If means at that position string is 0, means array u minus 1, that is the index of that particular position of that string. So if it that is 0, okay, if that is 0, so we just what we are doing here is we just put there 1. We just put 1 over there, and what we're doing there is if now there is 1, so if initial of array of u minus 2 is equals to 0, means if at that position that means if we update this one position, that will make this string like this, and if the previous one is in 0, we just need to add 2 over there. We need to add 1 over there because 1 is already there. So just add 1 over there, because in the starting that is 2, now it is 2, and 2, 2 and 3, and if initial of array of u means that next, if the next one is let's see if that one is like, if it is 1, then if it is 1, then we just add in between the two, and we else start minus minus. Okay, if next one is 0, if we update no way, what I am doing, if our point is here 1, maybe we are going out of the limit, so that's why I'm putting this condition. And if let's take from the starting, if that there is 0 over there, we just update by this 1. So now if previous one has 0, means previous one has 0, so what will happen, there is, think about this, if previous one has 0, they are distance between them is 2, so now it will update by 1. So we need to do this. Okay, okay, okay. And now what will happen, now what will happen is if that there is 0 over there and previous one is 1, actually I need to put this from here to here because I also did this. So if no. If there is 0, update that one minus 1, and if array of u minus 2 is still greater than or equals to 0 and live. Now if previous one is means previous one is 0 because we now have 1. Okay, so let me check if we now, okay, okay, so if we upgrade this by 1, we first have 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Now if if previous one have 1, so the distance is like, and now if previous one has 1 already, if just see if that is there, then what will happen, we just add it here. Okay, now the thing is, if if uh, array of u is less than or equals to uh, what will be less than n minus 1, then what will happen? Array of u is equals to 0. It means next element is 0, that is already 0. Okay, don't mess that one. So if they we make this one, so if the next element is 0, what will happen? Because minus simple, and if the next element is 1, if the next element is 1, we just need to add extra. If initial of array of u minus 1 is equals to 1, that means if there is 1 over there, we just update that one with 0. Okay, because array 1 has the index of that particular position. Okay, so now if array 1 minus 1 greater than or equals to 0, then there is a position that enters this. Okay, and now what will happen if initial dot be updates by 0? If previous one has this, like we update this from 1 and okay, so now we update this by 0. Okay, and if the previous one has 0, we need to add this. If previous one has 1, then we need to decrease it by, if array of u is greater than or equals to n minus 1, means there is a position of after that. So initial of array of is equals to 0, means the element at the next position is 0. Then what will happen? We need to add this, otherwise we need to decrease this, and we just let what are the errors? 4 3 2. No way, I don't want this thing. Why? Because let me check, let me print out what is the string I have after any. That one is right. Oh my gosh. That will make sense. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, uh, every time the floor cleared, um, print out the position. What? Uh, please, please, wait. I'm doing this. Please give me a second. Sorry. Okay. Uh, actually, I'm doing this like a beginner, so you can see that I am approaching the question from a very basic understanding. So this is not like if there is 2, then at the position array minus 1, that is 1. If there is 0, if there is 0, no. Let actually this is how I debug the code, because everyone has their own method to do any code, and I usually think these like print the string in every statement. uh so yeah, this is going in this, and at that position he makes string 0. Okay, okay. And after means so array of u is this, a second of this, and this, okay. So he's entering in this loop, and if update that position by 0, and if array of u minus 1, uh wait, I need to write down 2 here. What says 4 and 4 every time? Why? Maybe this is, let me do check a random position. So if there is 0, then what will happen? Let me do it by my own. So if there is 0, we have already distance 4, and if we update the second one, we have So after that we have 2, and after that we update the one position, so that is makes sense. So 2 1 3, that is 3, and if we update the third one, so 2 and 2 4. I think choo, 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 choo. Please, if someone already did that third question, please let me know if I am missing some points in this question. Please, 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 because I manage all the things in that question. I don't know what is why this is so slow. Why it is like it is too slow. Oh my god, it is literally very slow. I don't know why. Why this is very it's oh my god. uh so you can see the question is done. I don't know what I'm missing in the third one. Please let me know if I'm some missing that part. So it is done, bros. Thanks. Ah, don't worry if you don't understand what is like I'm putting some I really I'm missing in this question very so don't if you don't understand it, don't worry, I'll tell you after this, like after 1 hour, because can't oh wait, contest is in 1 hour 5 minutes. So wait until that. Please, someone some already did that question. What I am missing in that particular question, I don't know. Let's again do this that question. Today I want to able to solve as college exams are going on. So asking for the solution, please do that. Uh, actually, if I say but I don't know what I'm missing in the birthday question, because if I you can see almost 3,000 pupils are able to solve that one, and charges there are some like 1,100 people. So I did charges question, but I'm not able to put it in. So that's why uh I'm doing I like. Is there any point that I'm missing? Okay, let me check again. Please. Yeah, I'll try my best. Actually, I'm not updating anywhere, so just pause the. Oh, thank you. Okay, what is missing in this question? I'm I'm gonna think from the very basic. Okay. Or where is the question? Birthday gift. Where? Oh my god, okay, okay, here it is. 348. Oh my gosh. I don't know what the problem, what the problem is this. Uh, my laptop is really heating. Oh, what the hell is this? Uh, I think I am disconnecting for a while. Please let me know if you are able to listen me because it shows some error in my live stream. Okay, so what I am missing? Please let me know if I am uh, now I am able to audible or I am on the live chat. Okay, okay. You are saying that some to let me do this, bro. Charges code. Bro, actually you can rewind this stream and you can copy from that because I already did that one, so don't worry. Just there was like okay, what are you saying is that birthday code, birthday code. Please, I'm wait a minute. I do what? Actually, it seems easy. Let's see. Sometimes it will happen. A simple question. Sum of two is equals to if O is equals to ouch. Yes, we are missing something. Birthday one is seems like very easy, but I am missing something. Let me check it again. Please wait uh, for a little time. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay. Ouch. I don't know what I'm missing right now. Okay. Where is my sublime? This. Ouch. Mm-hmm. What I am missing, but I'm missing, but I'm missing, but I'm missing. Uh, in the second one, I am I short it reverse, and then I am starting from start. Okay, and what I am doing, I am just doing this to multiply by u, because okay, okay, and here also I am starting from 0 del k multiply by 2 minus plus 1, and just if k if wait a minute. If 2 multiply by u is less than k, sorry, that is n, because only then uh, we are able to, otherwise break that one. Okay, and if 2 multiply by u plus 1, if 2 multiply by u is less than, I means is less than uh, because it's less than n minus 1. Okay, and what will happen there? Actually, I'm doing the same thing. Is there thing? Ah, oh, because he started from the okay, break that one, and if 2k plus 1 is equals to, we just uh, add the this. Is this gonna work? 3 4 8 this is still same thing I'm doing before, but in the reverse manner. That's it. I don't do anything. that will help me. Mm-hmm. 3, 4, 8, that's it. Why it's not going to work? Still, I am getting wrong answer. Why? I don't know. Really, this question. Soul Rohu, are you complete this question? Actually, is this in? I think it is in the loop, and you are already computed someone. Hmm? Sum to add 2I plus 1 if OO is equals to k minus 1, then add this sum to k plus 1. Add. Actually, this is really disgusting. The question which even more than 3,000 people are already did, I don't able to do that. What is this small part I'm missing? Mm-hmm. Okay. I just reverse the sorted reverse sort the in the reverse manner, and then k times. Okay. if if hmm, what happen if 2 multiplied by u plus 1 is equals to n minus 1, then just add temp of u multiplied by u plus 2, and that's I already did one. I don't need to this. That is the same thing. I lol. Okay. 2 multiply. I started from the initially and first take the case steps. First take the case steps. Each k turn. Okay, and in each turn, I'm just iterating from the 2 multiply 1 means if I have u equals to 0, then it is 0, then and after that it is 2, then 4. Okay, and zero we need to do this until like I have only 2 chances, so that's it. It doesn't make sense. Yes, it doesn't make sense. But if u is equals to k minus 1 means same thing I all again did. What the hell is going on? Oh my gosh. I done. I don't know what is wrong in this question. I just please write down carefully because first in this line I am just sort in the reverse order because all R is like sort in the reverse order in my template. So don't take write carefully it is and just first iterate this loop and again iterate this loop. If it is last, then I also added in the last one and just max out, find the max of it. So it's done. Now we are already we are completed 4 questions. So it's really nice. Literally, a small point I don't know where I am. Here you can see the question which I am stuck from the last uh, half an hour. That time then I don't know people are where are they gone? Please make sure you subscribe the channel and like this because okay so hello everyone, no one is active in the chat. Okay, so I'm gonna solve the last question. Last no it is not last actually, it is last third. So the question is says that total components you are given uh, you are given all n minus 1 integers in the rate 2 into n. In each step, you choose two distinct integers. If they share a common factor greater than, you combine them into a same group. You keep doing it until no further merging is possible. Belonging to a group is an equivalence relation. So if integer and b are in the same group, the integer b and c are in the same. They are same. Find the total number of groups found in the end. Okay, 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 okay. Question says that if I have to mean the final group. No one is here, I think. Just yes, yes, yes. You are given all n minus 1 integers in the range. In each step, you choose two distinct their common factor. You combine them and you keep doing until no further merging is possible. Okay, so this is 2. It means the final group is 2, 4. That means there are 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 and 4 has a same group. For 8, the final groups are same factor. Same factor means 3 and 6 has same factor, but you know, there is a point like if 3 and 6 has same factor, and which are if let's say, what about 6 has a factor, so actually they says that, like, what is the factor of 6? 6 has factor, yeah, except 1, so there are 2 and 3. Okay, and if you see that 6 has factor 3 and 3 also has factor, C also has factor 3, so they are belonging to same group. Okay, but if you see that 2 is also a factor 2, and they and 6 and 2 share this common factor, so you can see that if 3 and 6 has a common factor and 6 and 2 has a common factor, then they says that you have to put these two elements in the same group, basically. So 2, 6 and 3 now belonging to the same group, because if you think uh, if you think about is like even or odd, then you are thinking that 2 and 6 are in the same, but 3 is not in the same group. But the point here is, if these two are same and these two are same, then you have to put these all are in the same group. That's why you can easily see that 2, 3, 4, because 2, 4, 6 and 8 has the same factor, which is 2. And if you see 6 also has a factor 3, and which is the factor of 3, so that's why these are some belonging to the same group, and 5 and 6 they are explicit. So that's actually point. So what I'm thinking here is, actually this is 10 to the power 5, then I need to do it in big of n, big O of n. Big of n means O of n. So if you see, 9 is also belongs to the same. One thing I noticed here, if that question that number is prime, means all the prime numbers has separate group, because in this till 8 I have 5 and 7, yeah, 2 prime, so these two make the separate group and other elements have the common group. That's why there are 3. Let's think about on the other thing, like let's say 15. For the 15, think about this. For the 15, 2 is in the same group. 4, 6, 8. Actually, I'm doing this. Where is text? Where is it? If I say What about this? Like, uh, let's say 15. 15 is belong. In 15, there are two. There is three. There is four. There is six. There is eight. There is 10. There is 12. There is 14. Okay, but you can also add 3 because C is the count factors matching with the 6 and 6 uh, 3 3 3 and after 3 what the next question is 3 and 5 is there 5. Yeah, we can't put 5 in this group because yes, we can actually find put because 5 because 5 and 10 they both have same factor because 5 is also 5 factor 5 and 10 is also factor 5. What about 11? We can't put that one, so 11 uh, this is the another group where 11 belongs. Okay, so now 3 5 and what will have 6. Yeah, we done with 6. And what about 7? 7. Yeah, we can put there because 7 and 14 are belongs to the same, so there is 7. 8 is already there. Can we put 9? Yes, we can because 3 is already there, so we can put 9 over there. We're all then with 10. What about 11? Yeah, we put it in the next one. What about 12? We already did. What about 13? 13. Yeah, this need extra another group. And so my point is for 15, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11, 13, 14. 14 is already there. So yes, we have 3 groups here, and if you see that for 15 we can also put 15 here. Why I'm forgetting this one. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 we can't put pick that one. So now we have this thing here. What I'm thinking is that it is big of and we need to do it in big of n. So what I'm thinking here is if we do this in a big of n, then what will happen? We just iterating over the loop. So okay, so if we for 15, if we go into 3, we go into 3 and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What about this? Let's say if there is 13, for 13 we have 2, we have 4, we have 6, we have 8, we have 10, we have 12. Now we can also pick the 3 one, third one. We also pick the 4, the 5th one because 10 is already there. We can pick 7. No, we can't pick that one. But yeah. So 11 is already there, and 7 is now there, and we pick here 9 because 3 and 6 is already there, and they said the common factor which is 3. So there is also 3 factors. This is okay. I'm gonna make again a what about 25? 25 has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay, these are there, and we can pick 3 over there, 5 over there, 7 over there, 7 or 8 is already there, 9, yeah, 9. This time we can all 9. This is 11. We can't pick 13, so this make a separate group. 13 now, and then what about 15? Yeah, because 15 and 3 has common factor. Oh my gosh, gosh. And what about 15? Now we have 15. And what about 17? No, we can't pick that one. 17, and then for 17, then what about 19? We also can't pick that one. What about 21? We can pick because 3 and 7 is already there. What about 19? Sorry, this is 19, not 18. And 21. Okay, now we have 23. Yes, we can't pick that one because 23 is prime number. Okay, I think I get it what they are 21. So the thing is you know uh, we need to find the prime numbers in between the range. Here you can see in the 13 we have 11, 7, 3, 5. These are the prime numbers. Okay, these are the prime numbers, and if you carefully observe that 3 and 5 means a double of these two prime numbers, double of these two prime numbers in the range 13, so they can divide it. But here again see that how many primes are there? 11, 13, 7, 7, 3 and 5. But 3, 5, 7, they all have double in the range 15. That's why they are in the same group. Okay, take care about this. Think about this. What here? Till 25 we have how many primes are there? 13, 17, 19, 23, and we have 3, 5, 7 and 11. These are the prime numbers, but they are doubles in the between 25. So just I am okay. I think if we have enough time we can solve this. Yeah, we have 22. Actually I'm gonna see what is this. How to check if a number is prime? Actually, I just wanted to find what is the minimum logic. Can we find it in between in log n, because log n is the best thing. What is the complexity we need? I need to find in big of. Is there any best algorithm we can do this? No, I know I can do this in square time complexity. Yes. Oh shit. Uh, I didn't even take care about this. So I'm just copying this. Yeah, actually I forget about this. Is prime, okay, and just taking the input and u and u. If u is equals to n, then return true. What is this not saying any Oh my god. Literally. What the hell is this, bro? Hmm? From two, and then if this is M, then actually, why this is like 8? How many primes are there? Till 100, how many primes are there? They are just two. I think they are just one. Why? Is there anything that I am missing? Actually, I already did the charges one. I already did that one. If you are not able to do that charges, then you can see I already did that one. So why are you actually my assumptions are this. So this is the code. This is the code. Okay, this is the code. Sorry, bro. Please. I think you have enough time to write down from here. I think. SQRT means SQRT, that means we can't do this in this manner. Is there any a log and complexity in which we can find which is the odd number or even number? Literally, it's Ouch. Are you done? You can pause the stream and please, please, please. Actually, I that's why I'm doing this. I just wanted to find anything. If I am able to find an algorithm which in which we can find the prime number in big O of log n, so that will help us. To actually in total components. Still, it showing that I am already. But they give. I already did the full total component. Actually, is uh. Actually, our root and don't give us proper. Okay, let uh. I think I already did this, but that won't help us. Billion is prime. Okay. So I don't have much time. So now I have prime factors. So what I'm let me check if it is working or not. Actually, it is in big of root and login, so that's why I don't think so it works. Uh, you know what? I need to do it in big of and log, and that's why it's. I think it's going beyond the time period. Let it check if I have some. This is the yeah. That's what I'm telling you. Right, TLE. I got TLE in this. So it is just a small here you can easily see that I am able to get 30 points that were and that are not enough actually. I need to do this completely, but let's see. I need to find some algorithms. Actually, that one is what that algorithm which I am write it from here that I already know. I just wanted to find algorithms in which we can find the prime in login because root doesn't give us. So this is the solution of the partial solution of the last question. Last question, I mean, sorry, fifth question. So I'm gonna find any algorithm. Best algorithm for prime numbers. Sieve of errors. Yes. Actually, that is the. Uh, I forget to do this. Okay. Wait. Yes. Oh my God. This is really. I. Sieve batch can resist 10 Bartines. Whatever. Sieve of Erotnis. Yes. Actually. pseudocode. It's limited, like it's very big. Its complexity is in. Oh my god, it's that was disgusting for now. Actually, so they are still showing that I am done the wrong answer, wrong in the third one, but your rank is 430. Contest is end. So that's done, everyone. So actually, if someone wants the tutorial of the first five questions, then let me know in the chat. And just complete down right now. Yeah, I know time more. Actually, in the last question, I forget to use the C word errors. That was. So if someone is here and who's want to like wanted to watch the tutorial, then let me know, please, please, please. If anyone is there who wanted to how I approach the question, or I am because I missed lots of the question, which I think my code is not very uh, easy to understand, maybe, because if someone understand, that's good, but if someone not, so let me know if you want to understand that one. So I'll tell you right now which question you want to you don't understand, basically which questions code. Let me know, please, please, please. Yeah, actually that's the problem, the contest it ends and everyone gone. If you want to, I think if you want to really learn the code, you have to, if you don't able to question uh, you don't able to done the question, then you have to see how to approach any questions, and that's the actual main problem. Just copy the code. Actually, it's okay to copy to go, but it's also important that you have to understand what is going on in this question. Like just to compete the code didn't give anything that's help you in the future contest. You have to understand what is going on in that question, because everyone has their own method to write the code, and if I write a simple code, maybe you can't understand what is going on, because you write code in the your own method and I write in the own method. Yeah, syntax is same, but many things are different. So please, if you please let me know if you wanted to understand any question. We don't able to do that. Don't able to understand. So actually, I think I need to see what is the fourth. I think fourth one is simply, but Abhishek. Actually, I done all the questions. No, no, no. Actually, I done all the questions. If you rewind the stream, you can find all the questions. You just need to, uh, uh, like, I I think you have to write it by your own, because if you write it, maybe you can understand a little bit and little steps. uh, uh, I wanted to know if I got a efficiency, like then how much star and rating I will got in. Actually, everything takes time. The more you practice, the more you learn. So it's not like that if you just watch any. Why are you cheating? What are you cheating doing here? Huh? If you don't want to, it's good to be you are 3-star code. Then what are you doing here? Because 3-star code is not in the division 3. Huh? So if you wanted, if someone wants to know any code which you don't understand, then tell me. No, and for Abhishek, if you don't write the code by your own, like it's okay if you don't understand the question and write the others code, but if you write the others code, you have to understand after that uh, how he is approaching the question, or how he write the efficient code. Actually, I'm not in the division 3, but uh, I am just solving this division 3 question. Is there any question, or anyone wants to understand the code? Then let me know. Otherwise, it's okay. If you understand code, that's very good for you. Is there anyone? Uh, and if I telling about cheating, then if you don't want to copy the code, then why are you here? Like, first you copy the code, and after that just like spamming in the chat that why are you cheating? Like, that's not good. If you are here, it's okay. If like during the contest, the concentration level is very high, and if at that time, actually, my college exams, I don't think so. In India, is there any college exams? It's this time. I think it's maybe it's online. College exams are not uh there. So what I'm telling about cheating is that if you don't want to copy codes, then don't be here. Okay, yeah. Okay. Sorry. End semester. I don't know that one, but so please, if you don't like, the most important thing is second semester. I don't know. Sorry, or if I don't know, I think I don't know if there is any exams or not. But actually, the main problem is if you if you don't if you don't want to cheat in here, then why are you here? Just go and do it by your own. You are here just because you wanted the code. First, I saw many people that they copied the code, after that just swiping in the lecture. That's not good actually. Please, if you don't want to watch the others code, or if you don't want to copy others code, then why are you here? You are here just because you want the solution. And I saw lots of people just uh, you know compete others code and for after that tell that you are doing cheating or you are cheating others. That's not good actually. And the if you someone's doing like seeing my code and write down in during contest, that's okay, but it's not good that you just copy the code and go and come again when the another online contest is held. So you have to understand, because if you don't I'm not doing always. Actually, if it is in my hand, then I can do that. But that's actually main problem. Actually, everyone needs to understand that after the code, you have to understand how question is gonna approach, or how uh, I know whichever person who do this, how they approaching the question, and how they come up with this solution. That's actually main topic. You if you come on the YouTube and saw any video tutorial on any question, you saw lots of tutorial, and they told you that this is the code and this is how it works. Yeah, it's good, and you maybe understand, but the main problem is how he come up with that solution, and how you increase your thinking or increase your practice that you came up with that solution. It's really need to understand approach of any question. So actually, if you want to yeah, actually okay, if some other people knows any DSA courses or whatever, so let me know. Or actually if I think wait a minute, I am putting a telegram group link, so if you and anyone wanted to join there, join me and tell me in that if you wanted something. uh, Actually, I just actually after this I am putting the link in the description, so you after that you can join my telegram link, telegram group. Okay, and message me if you wanted like DSA course or whatever. So okay. Oh, where is, how can I find the okay, so this is the link. If you anyone wanted to join the telegram, then please join here. Actually it's just very new, so actually I just this is my first group, so uh, actually that is public. I don't think so, it's not public. Let me check if it is not public. I think it is public. Let me know if you are able to connect in this question in the group. Link in the description. Go and let's see if you are in the group or not. Abhishek, can you check this one time, please? Please, Telegram group link is in the description. Okay, is there anything public group? Yeah. Link Telegram. Yeah, I think so. This is the so I think I just put the modified link in the question. So uh, yeah, I'm just removing that one. Thank you for joining. So actually, if there is any group public there, we can, share the anything, whatever. Let me do one thing, view group info. So I think okay. Okay, so actually it's working. Yeah, thank you. Actually, in the starting, if you don't have in the starting, I don't have, no one's tell me that this is the best place you can learn from DSA from here. So, I just like I learned the DSA from many platforms. Like I learned from many YouTube channels, from GFG, and I solved question on many platforms. CS, Lead Code, Codechef Code courses, Hacker Rank, Hacker, lots of. I use lots of platforms to learn DSA or practice CB questions. So that's why we are here to, like, if someone don't have experience, or someone is new by and some other peoples have experience to share, which is the best thing to do. Like everyone has their own, but yeah, if you have an idea which is the best place to learn DSA and what, so that's actually a good thing, because in the starting it's take lots of time to research which is the best class for you and which is not. So actually that's really takes much time, and that one is not much of beneficial. Yeah, that benefit a little bit, because you you come to know lots of platforms and lots of different type of information. So that's working. But actually that is how. So actually don't worry, I'll share best one which is the good or best thing I am till I am no don't worry, Abhishek. I'll share lot link, or uh, if some YouTube channels is good for, basically I learned from there, and that will also share that link. And if some there any important clip from that also say that's one. So don't worry. From now we are doing lots of, like, share lots of links in this. We are gonna lots of links in this group. So don't worry. I'll tell you. I'll try to tell you which one is great for you or not. Actually, okay. So don't worry. From now, uh, I'll do this. Okay. So if you anyone wanted to connect with me, links are in the description, and go and connect with. There is my LinkedIn ID, Instagram, GitHub, Telegram, and all of things. So okay. So I think actually at the night I always going live for for the minimum of 3 or 4 hours or more than, actually just for study actually. So but I don't know today I'm gonna live or not. If you watch my previous 2 or 3 days, I continuously live from now to till 3 or 4 a.m. just for actually study. If we are some people are study with you, then it makes you motivated, or you are able to study for 3 or 4 hours also. That makes sense. That's why we are like, I don't know if after half an hour I'm gonna live again, maybe. Yeah, actually that's problem, but don't worry if you don't have that one. Actually, everyone has this, everyone has their problems. I also sometime previously, like sometime before, I also have the same problem, but try to manage that one. Okay, so thank you for joining me. If DM message me if you anyone wants to, like, uh, tutorial videos of this lunchtime or starter contest. Okay, let me know in the message me, or just uh, comment in this video. Okay, good night, bye everyone. Thank you for joining me again, and please do subscribe this channel and press the like button if you like this stream. Okay, bye.